Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Bill which is in the process of being drafted reflects that to bring into force the 10-point charter and the letter we have written to the Chief Minister. So this is a bill which will seek amendment of certain laws which we think are damaging the ecology and environment, has led to high corruption in this state. So we want a blanket ban on conversion of agricultural land, that we will not further allow further conversion of own agricultural land, which includes paddy fields, cashew nut gardens, mango gardens, coconut groves, because all these were given to various people under the code of Komindas for agriculture. So nobody can tell us today that we can use these lands for non-agri purposes.
So this we will be giving to all MLAs.
This will be given to leaders of every legislature party, including the Chief Minister of Goa.
सर तुमका एक लेटर येला फ्रॉम फॉर्मर चीफ जस्टिस.
हांवें एक साधारण एक महिने पयलो चीफ जस्टिसाक सांगले कॅन यू सपोर्ट आवर मुवमेंट काय म्हणून. तेन्ना म्हाका इमिजिएट उत्तर दिलें येस आय एम विथ द मुवमेंट. काल म्हाका तेणी letter धाडून दिल्या. Former Chief Justice of India has understood our 10-point charter, the fight of the Goan people to maintain the unique identity of Goa, its culture, its heritage. So according to me, this is one of the most important documents for us. Is something was beyond my expectations. In a few days' time, another judge of the Supreme Court issuing a statement supporting our cause. He has assured me, but it may be coming within a day or two.